Lifetime Products offers a full line of recreational kayaks, perfect for your next outdoor excursion. The innovative sit-on-top kayak design has opened a new era in paddle sports that appeals to the spirit of adventure in all of us. People of all ages and skill levels can now enjoy exploring lakes, oceans, and other flatwater paddling with Lifetime Kayaks. The 10-foot Lifetime Manta kayak provides comfortable, balanced seating for solo, tandem, or family fun. With a 500-pound weight capacity and 3 seat positions, the Manta is the perfect multi-purpose recreational kayak. The raised seat position is ergonomically positioned to provide maximum comfort by keeping your legs below your seat for improved circulation. The contoured seat design is easy on your spine and provides comfortable seating for hours of paddling and exploring. One of the main features of the Manta is the extreme stability and safety offered while aboard the kayak. The wide platform and tunnel hole design makes it very difficult to tip over and easy to get into from the water. Constructed of high-density polyethylene, Lifetime Kayaks are UV protected and will not fade or turn brittle in the sunlight. They are durable and impact-resistant to prevent denting and scratching. The unique design of Lifetime Kayaks also include built-in shock cord straps and various compartments to help secure loose items. Molded paddle cradles and scupper holes are built into the design for added convenience, along with multiple footrest positions to allow for different size riders. The Lifetime Manta kayak is made for convenient transportation and storage. The lightweight design has built-in carry handles on the front and rear, making it easy for everyone to carry it to and from the waterfront. The convenient size can easily fit on roof racks or truck beds. Our design can be strapped to the top of a vehicle or stored in a shed or garage without taking up much room. The Manta is designed with plenty of extra features to ensure you have a great paddling experience. Paddle cradles are conveniently molded into the rails, and the Manta also includes built-in fishing pole holders. Lifetime offers a variety of extra accessories, including paddles that are durable, adjustable in length, and have multiple feather positions. Our adjustable backrests are padded to provide extra comfort for those longer paddling excursions. So enjoy the versatility of the Manta kayak from Lifetime Products. Use it solo, tandem, or take your family on your next paddling adventure. The Manta gives you the perfect reason to enjoy the great outdoors, giving you hours of fun and endless adventures.
Isaac here, founder and product specialist at Brooklyn Kayak Company. I'm standing in front of the TK122 with aluminum upright seats. The TK122 is 12 feet 8 inches long and 34 inches wide. It only weighs 74 pounds and has a capacity of 770 pounds. It can accommodate 1, 2, or 3 riders, depending on what you have planned for the day. And let me run you through some of the features. In the front here, you'll see a built-in front carry handle for easy transportation. You have a flat deck for honestly a small child or a dog. You have a built-in cup holder. You have 3-step molded-in footrests for riders of all sizes to be comfortable. As you can see, the TK122 also has 4 accessory mounts, so that you could mount additional accessories like phone holders, cup holders, your fish finder mounts, and additional things like that. It also has 2 rectangle large hatches. Each hatch is the same. You would open it. Inside there'll be a red insert, and as you can see now, you have full access inside of the kayak, so you can store larger items like rods and paddles. It's secure. You make sure that it goes down below there. Simply lock. These are watertight and they lock very easily. The TK122 also has 8 scuppers for easy self-draining, as you can see here. And additional D-ring mounts for things like paddle keepers or anchor cleats. The aluminum upright seat that's included is extremely adjustable. And locks into place using these straps and additional D-rings mounted below the seat. Again, more D-rings just for additional access and comfort. To install your aluminum upright seat to your TK122, you'll find straps on each side. You'll fish them through the D-rings. They're right here. And then simply engage the buckle. Pull tight. And it's just there to keep it secure. Do that on both sides. The TK122 comes with 2 paddle parks on each side. They work by just placing the paddle inside the bungee and locking into place. You have one on each side. Again, you have a cup holder built in for the rear passenger, along with the watertight storage hatch, additional D-rings on the side of the passenger. Come back, you have the flush mounted rod holders. You also have two articulating rod holders for the front passenger. And this leads you down to the storage area. This storage area is big enough to fit our 20-liter cooler. Comes with a bungee tie-down system. Can also fit a milk crate. Here you have the extremely durable T-handle and drain plug for when you want to clean the inside or drain any additional excess water that may have gotten in. The TK122 also has a keel protector for lifetime usage and is easily interchangeable. The TK122 fits the BKC 20-liter cooler. As you can see, comes in matching color. Simply drop it in place. It's secure by itself. If you want additional secure, you can wrap the bungee around and lock it into the O-ring on the other side. As you can see in the front, the bottom, TK122's front is a deep V, so it slices through the water and then hits to a flat bottom, which is extremely easy to maneuver and very easy to paddle.
The Reception Rambler is a playful sit-on-top that is easy to paddle for fun seekers of all ages and skill levels, and is great for lakes, bays, rivers, and light surf. Light and easy to manage, the Rambler family features a sit-on-top seat, molded in footwells, side and bow and stern handles, and a nicely sized tank well with bungees. The Rambler is offered in two sizes, a 9.5-foot model and a 13.5-foot tandem model, so you can share the fun with a paddling buddy.
Hi, my name is Mariah, and today I'm going to introduce the Malibu 2 XL from Ocean Kayak. The length of this boat is 13 feet 4 inches long. It's 34 inches wide. One of the great things about the Malibu 2 XL is that you can customize this boat to meet your needs. There are 3 sections on this boat where you can add hatches. There are 2 round hatch areas and 1 oval hatch area. There are 2 seats that come standard with this boat. They are called the Comfort Plus seat. There's one in the front and one in the rear. Another great feature about this Ocean Kayak Malibu 2 XL is that it is designed to be a tandem kayak. However, with the moving of one seat, this boat can become a solo paddling kayak as well. The Malibu 2 XL has a carrying weight of 68 pounds and a maximum capacity of 500 pounds. The reason that I most enjoy the Malibu 2 XL is the fact that it is great for both family as well as the individual paddler. It's a great all-around kayak that can be paddled in open water as well as some rivers and some streams.